Oh, nah. I'm joking. Full bathroom in here.
A glamorous life.
We're buying it, babe?
Nope.
Nah?
It's a no for me, dog.
What it do, people? We back to another episode with the schminger. I got my fiance with me. We gonna go look at some houses and probably buy like 5 or 10 cash. What you think? Hmm? You brought your wallet?
I brought my checkbook.
Brought a checkbook. It's my sugar mama. She pays for everything. She's gonna be my camera person today.
Yes, I'm the
That's
cameraman.
I said the channel's going up. We got employees now.
I'm getting you the views. That's what it is.
She definitely get us the views. Her video got the most views. But make sure you comment, subscribe, hit that notification, and all that good stuff. Now we're about to head out.
Alright guys, we just got to the first location in Garfield, New Jersey.
Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, so it's a 2-family house built in 1950, 649, Garfield, New Jersey. Great town, sits in Bergen County. So it's a 2-bed over 2-bed with a finished basement, which for rental investment, it makes perfect sense. And the taxes are, I think, only $8,500. The house was built in 1950. That's a huge plus because in Bergen County, a lot of the houses, they're built like 1910, 1905. So we're doing pretty good. To find a 2-bedroom with a finished basement in Bergen County is tough because if you do find multifamilies, they're pretty small always because it's usually single families that get converted into 2 families. So it'll be like 2 over 1, 1 over 1, actual 2 over 2. It's not bad.
Yeah.
So
The
what?
rooms are good sizes.
Yeah. And honestly, you'll probably get more rent with just upgrading the appliances from white to...
New bathroom needed for sure.
This is the 1950 special. We need this. This is vintage right here. This is not old, it's vintage.
I love the sunlight in here. Very nice.
To go up?
Yeah, you can go up, it's good. Don't steal nothing. Oh, this is nicer. Oh, nah.
Why are you
I'm joking. Nah, it's clean. So let's go in here. One thing you notice in here, there's no heat. So you always look for vents, baseboards, steam radiators. So this room has no heat. You have the sub pump right over here. Another kind of small bedroom. There's baseboard here, And when you're having your Jack and Coke right over here, you're good. You don't need heat. Let's see.
Look like a receptionist.
Welcome to the saloon.
Hi, how
What do
may
you
I
guys
help
need? 2 Jack and Cokes coming right up. What's your opinion on it?
Good house.
Pros.
A lot of potential.
What's the pros?
Pros. Not a lot of renovation needed. Mostly cosmetic, just to get it up to date and feel more modern.
We need the cons.
No backyard. Have to renovate a kitchen and 2 bathrooms,
Yeah.
which is expensive. But otherwise, it's decent.
I think it'll be a good investment property with a little bit of work. And the price point is good if we could get it at that price point. Well, try to back it up. All right, so now we're about to go to the next house. It's in West New York. It's probably like 25-30 minutes. That one, it needs a lot of work. Way more work than this one. But it's good because it's close to the waterfront, close to New York. Probably potentially get 3 units out of it. So we're gonna try our luck.
It's close to Main Avenue, which has a lot of shopping and like coffee that I like.
Definitely.
What
Don't
else
forget
is
the
around
coffee.
there that I saw? Here, Taco Bell too.
There's a good location too, right off of 46. And then once you get on 46 over here is the Parkway. So that's a huge plus. All right, so we see you at the next house. All right, we just got to the second spot. About to see what this is hitting for. This is the house here. Looks kind of small from the outside. But it looks like a good area.
Oh, I think they forgot their mail. There's raccoons in here.
Smells like raccoons.
Oh my god.
So what do you guys think? Welcome to my house. Welcome to my crib.
I think we need like masks.
This is not good right here. Not looking too good. Yeah, we have a full bathroom in here.
A glamorous life.
So we have 1 bedroom here. So no closet in that bedroom.
Definitely not going in the basement of this one. I mean, I thought it just needed paint, but it needs some freaking.
They took some good pictures. They caught the right angles. They have this as a 2-family. It's not a 2-family. Come on.
Yeah, maybe one of these stores should be closed.
Oh, yeah, it is. It is a 2-family. Oh my god. That rat. We're buying it, babe?
Nope.
Nah?
It's a no for me, dog.
This is what we call nasty behavior down here. You see all the mold here? That's never good. I think my girl liked this one, so we can't buy it. I'll buy it, but not for the price they want. They want $550. $550 is way too much for this house. And the condition is in. That's too bad. This thing needs about $240,000 maybe to make it presentable. So that's a no for you, dog? Huh?
No, thank you.
If we get it for real cheap, I think it's worth it.
I mean, if you
It'll
can
have-
make it make sense.
It'll have to be under 300.
Undutified.
She said smell like booty.
It'll
That
go.
was-
Somebody's
that
gonna
was
buy
bad.
it.
Yeah, no,
Someone
somebody-
that has the funds to just, renovate it and like take their time with it. They'll definitely make it beautiful.
And the thing is, in the basement, one room, it wasn't a bathroom. It'll be tough to spend that much and get the return on it. You have to be like all in at 600. That's buying it, fixing it, and that's still like a tough number with only those 2 bedrooms, and they're small bedrooms. So
I would combine the first floor with the basement to like max out
yeah,
your rent potential.
that definitely make it a duplex. That makes sense.
Otherwise, I still can't get the pee smell out of my nose. So I don't have much to say about that place.
It just smell like hot
If
pee.
it didn't smell, I probably would look at it differently. But
Yeah, those places is like it's guaranteed to smell.
no, the one that we saw before, the one on in the 30s, the 30-something street, remember?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
If you break it into people's house, have the decency to take your pee with you on the way out.
Don't leave,
WTF.
don't leave the pee.
Don't leave it there. Listen,
It's
you're going in there for warmth. You know it's not your house. Have some decency. Take your
your pee.
pee with you when you go.
So it's gonna make tell them, take your pee with you.
Come on. Have some respect. You're breaking into someone's house.
Just leaving pee. It's one of those I was here. You know how people sign.
No, it's more dude, I'm not doing this because I want to. I'm doing this because it's cold and I have to.
Yeah.
At
At least take care of it, right? So
but I didn't mess up your stuff. So
and I ain't leave no pee behind.
I didn't leave anything behind. I'm in and out. I was just cold.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, it's me, your favorite YouTuber.
And back to the pee.
I still got things I want to say about the pee. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna let it go. Let me show you my fiance. He's trying to figure out this app situation. Let's see how long it takes him to figure it out. Uh-oh. Looks like he's having some difficulty. Should I honk the horn? Oh, he made a friend. He's always making friends. Oh, I shouldn't record these people.
So yeah, at the Burger Line Park, we're about to go play ball right now. After this,
This is not Burger Line Park.
that's not Burger Line.
82 Park, but I forget the real name of it.
It's on Burger Line.
This is where they find all the aliens, where all the UFOs land and stuff.
So they find the UFOs at Burger Line Park. So you marrying me? You don't know who's the crazy one here. Guys, baby. What are we eating today, Sugar?
We have some Spanish style octopus, fingerling potatoes, chorizo, some Spanish olives.
She got a mimosa, and your boy got a sidecar. It's a real estate expense.
I know, my mom's like, all these cruises that I'm going to, I need to know when they're getting married.
We're gonna have to get married on a cruise.
Seriously, for her to come.
What was the expensive cruise that you was gonna book for my birthday?
We booked the cruise.
Oh
They
yes.
took the money from my account, and then the cruise line couldn't find my booking. So I panicked. I canceled the charge with my bank because I'm like, wait a minute, how is it that we can't find the booking? And the money was deducted from my account. So anyway, I canceled it. And then there was a huge hurricane that wiped out a lot of Florida, which is where the cruise was even from. So I take it as it wasn't meant to be. It wasn't meant to be.
Then we went to the island of dun 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 dun.
Hispaniola.
What's good, my boy? I'm gonna put you on camera right now. We're gonna ask you a question. One of the best places you ever traveled to?
One of the best places?
Yeah, that you would recommend people that, not somewhere that it's common to go, like something that's out of the ordinary.
Yeah, I was gonna say Dubai or something like that.
I mean, that's out of the ordinary. Not everybody goes to Dubai. I never been to Dubai.
But yeah, it's not strict over there and stuff like that, but it's good.
Okay.
It's nice, clean.
We definitely gotta go to Dubai then.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Spain in June for her birthday, if she still wants to go.
Sure.
Steak frites, and I got the fried egg because I didn't have breakfast. Alright, now we're gonna eat and get back to y'all when we done. I'm about to pay the tab, go to the car, stop and get some coffee and cookies, and then
My favorite place.
next to Bergenland Park.
It's not Bergman Park, man. It's UFO Park.
It's UFO Park. Car's still here, they didn't tow it. They don't sell food there though.
What do you mean?
They sell food, but it's like all like little plates.
Because it's called tapas.
Yeah.
That's what tapas are.
I didn't know it was tapas when I went there.
It's called tapas de España.
Tapas was some bullshit.
So apparently when you go to Spain and you buy liquor, when you go to a bar and you sit at the bar, they just keep giving you tapas. Little snacks for you to
Is
eat.
tapas the plates? That's what it's called? Or tapas? Like a
I'm not
that
too
means
sure. It
small
could
meal?
be the portion. It could be like, I don't know, a tapa. They're little
Okay.
plates, like small plates. I don't know.
Tapas need to stop and sell some real
Why?
food. Sell some meals.
Yeah, go.
Nah, you crazy? Gonna steal my bars? Next thing you know, somebody on Hot 97 rapping my.
They're gonna make you a
be having
mixtape. A mix, you know when they be making them songs like I got bronchitis, and then they end up in a remix.
gonna drop my
They're
remix.
gonna be like bars.
You ever had a FHA?
bars.
You ever had a FHA with a conventional 5% down? You never been around. Alright, so we're gonna hit you in a little bit because we got like
Like
2%
delusional.
battery. I remember Rocky because it was remember the song Rocky loves Emily. Rocky loves Emily.
Oh my god, that just unlocked like a memory from my childhood.
Damn. Who was the other one in the Three Ninjas? Comment
Mr.
below.
Miyagi.
No, he was the uncle.
Deuces, like, subscribe, leave a comment,
Alright, how many houses we
follow
bought?
my man's
How many
page.
houses we bought?
We bought 0 houses today. But I don't know, maybe we could put an offer on the Garfield one.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get that one. Alright guys,
Alright,
see y'all
bye.
later. Brody, I'll run you over. Don't look at me like that. He gave me a tough like you about to jump through the
He's
car
mad
and
at
beat
you.
me up. He saw my black eye, that's why. He's like, I'll give you another one. To the next one, guys. Holla at your guap.